Welcome to Design Collection. How to use Google Map Scraper. First, search for a keyword, such as schools. Then, enter the city name, click on the Add button, and then click on the Start button to begin the process. The process will start, and after a few minutes, you will receive data from the map based on your searched keywords. You can review the data and download it. If you want to extract email addresses or gather more phone numbers, simply click on the Extract Emails button. After a few minutes, you will get the emails and additional phone numbers. Review the data and download it.